guys, I'm back. My name is Danny and welcome to my channel Down South with Danny. I'm so glad to have you here for another product spotlight, and tonight's product spotlight is an oldie but a goodie, and it is the It's My Raye Raye eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. I love It's My Raye Raye. I've been following her since she was back in the day, only using beauty store products, beauty store makeup products, making it work, dollar store products. That girl could take a burnt charcoal stick from the fire and make something awesome on her face. She has great makeup skills. She's beautiful, she's gorgeous, and she has a sweet personality, and she's now having a little bitty It's My Raye Raye baby. But that's neither here nor there. I don't know how far along she'll be in her pregnancy at this point, but she's been glowing and looking beautiful. So it reminded me to pull out my It's My Raye Raye palette, which is a dual-sided palette. Let's just show you. You got shadows on one side, or you got face products on one side and then shadows on the other. And it has 21 shadows, which are beautiful. You have mauves, you have a deep black, which is almost kind of green. It's called Black Beauty, but it's really black, I guess. It just looks green in the pan. An entire row of shimmers at the top, all the ones you need, from an icy frosty to champagne to that copper gold to gold, bronzy gold, and then deep purple color shimmer. And then you have all the mattes you could use in any look, from browns to oranges to pale tans to creams to maroons and deep purples, and it's just gorgeous deep contour type colors to do the contouring you want in your eye. It can do anything from day to night, and I love these shades. And then on top of that, it has a mirror, which I want to blind you, but it's a mirror in there. And then it has these face products. These face products are beautiful. You have an under eye setting powder in Chai, which is a beautiful yellowy powder. And then you have Mocha, which is a beautiful bronzer or contour depending on your skin tone. And then you have Brownie Bite, which is definitely a bronzer or contour depending on your skin tone. And I love them all, and I've been using this palette for about 2 weeks consistently. I'm going to just swatch them for you. There they are. The colors there are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. Great face palette she put in there on the bottom, which I love, and I think is great product to have in a complete palette. I think it retails for like $21, guys. I grabbed it at BH Cosmetics on sale for even cheaper than that, for like 25% off. And it also is sold at Ulta, or it was sold at Ulta, because BH Cosmetics is sold at Ulta. So make sure you catch it a deal if you can. But even if you can't get it on sale, it's a beautiful product. Then you have an icy white gold highlighter, a rose gold, and a deeper bronze French toast highlighter, which is beautiful. Let's swatch those. You see how pretty these are? Like, look how reflective and how smooth and how buttery they are. That yellow gold and rose gold and like just bronzy gold, because that white is deceiving. It looks like it's going to be white and then it just breaks yellow gold on you. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love doing these product spotlights because it gives you a chance to just really look at the products that are available and what they look like. Let's see, I know I'm going to swatch all the shimmer shades. I'll swatch all the shimmers really quickly. One, two, I picked up too much. I picked up too much, Lord. Language these days. And like I said, these are kind of powdery, or I don't know if I have said, but these are kind of powdery, but they blend out so smooth. Look at all those shimmers. Like, the shimmers from this palette are just beautiful, just gorgeously beautiful. I love the shimmers in this palette, and I love to like pop them all on the lid by themselves, blend out just one shade in the crease, and out the door I go with a little mascara on for a more natural look. Or I can like deepen things up and make them really look popping with some of these mattes. Let's look at Tiffany, Allison, and then Fairy Tale, because they're some of my favorites and they're matte. They just blend out so smooth. Like, they're so smooth. And this is just me rubbing my finger in and rubbing it across one time, guys. Look how pigmented they are, how smooth they are. And my hand is like bone dry because I just wiped it off and then dried it off with a paper towel. Wiped it and then dried it with a paper towel. And look how smoothly they blend it when you saw me blend those. They blend the same way on the eye. There is kick up in the pan, but like I said, they blend beautifully. They remind me a lot of the Rock shadows, and that they have that powdery finish in the pan, but they just blend like a dream. They practically blend themselves. I think BH Cosmetics is so underrated, and this It's My Raye Raye palette is a perfect way to try their products, both the face products and the eyeshadow products, without breaking the bank. So guys, if you want to try this, check it out. I'll leave a link below. Make sure you check it out though. It's been fun. It's getting late. I'm getting kind of tired, so my voice is kind of getting kind of crazy, but I hope you will give this palette a try. Thank you for being here for this palette spotlight. Let me know if you have this. Tag me in some Instagram pictures if you put some of the eye looks you've done with this, and I just want you guys to know how much I love this product. So, see you around. Bye.